In this video we are going to be going through IFBD. So to get straight into it as well, just depending on your broker, you may be seeing this stock up around 400%. For example, on Thinkorswim it currently says it's up 400%. Now this is a mistake, it has had a 5-to-1 split. So if we go over to a different broker such as Tastyworks, we can see this is actually being accounted for, and we can see actually as of right now it is break even. So what you will see is yesterday we closed at around $1.87. This stock then gapped pre-market all the way up to around $2.67. I imagine people bought it thinking it had already gapped and trying to join that momentum, and then realizing, okay, it hasn't actually gapped or anything, it's just had a 5-to-1. So seeing this, it has now actually literally come back to fill this gap, and it is back at its gap fill at 188. So really, this stock may be tricky to trade, but if you are looking to trade it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we push to the upside? And we would be looking at 245. And if we can continue past that, we'd be looking at $3.15. Pushing past that would take us to $3.40 and a final level of resistance at $3.90. And this is why you can see as well pre-market and kind of after hours, whenever this stock made all the move, you can see it came up to nearly, well, did come into $4. You got that key psychological resistance, and then also our third deviation on the 6-month chart. So seeing this, it is the main reason the stock sold off. So if we do come back, that would again still kind of be our key main target. But if we did somehow break through there and for any reason it did continue to the upside, which again seems unlikely as it isn't really moving off news, then we would be looking at around $6.75 and a final target at $10. Now, onto the support side of things, if we start to and kind of continue falling back on IFBD, what are going to be key support levels? So as of right now, kind of this gap fill where we are now around this 188. We could see a temporary bounce into this level as it fills the gap. You get a bit of buying pressure, but really as it didn't move on news on the first place, it will probably just continue around this level, if not maybe continue down a bit further. And if it continues down a bit further, we're going to be looking at $1.77, $1.06, and then final levels at 36 cents and 3 cents. Obviously some of those are very far off, so really the key focus will be, can we hold the gap fill location at 188? If not, expect a push down to $1.77, and then really this is probably where we will stay. And the reason for this, again, we moved up on no news. Really it was just a split. So seeing it move up that far, people who were holding this stock long, or as this stock's been selling off for literally since its existence, anyone who was bag holding, they've probably locked in profits now when it bounced. So now you've even got the longer term holders cashing out. So really we will probably see a sink below where it was yesterday, which was $1.88. Anyway, that is the breakdown on IFBD. If you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis on DMS, which is one of the leading gappers today.